Hey everybody, Frugal Farmer here. Out grilling again. It's evening time. I've worked, I'm hungry, and I'm gonna grill me some pork chops, some corn on the cob, and I'm gonna put some French bread on here when the time's right. I was calculating, I bought these pork chops, and I was looking, and just so happened in the meat department where I shop, I know the guys. They know I come in there looking for deals. And the one guy, he said, hey, do you mind ugly pork chops? I said, no. I said, they don't even have to call me in the morning. Well, anyway, I bought 8 pounds of pork chops for $5, which equates out to about $1.50 a pound, or 63 cents a serving, which both of these is $1.26. The corn was a little high. The corn's 66 cents a serving, so I've got $1.32 in that. And then the French bread, 2 pieces, that'll be about 76 cents. So I've got a nice meal for like $3.34 and a little bit of charcoal, and I'll drink a bottle of water, under $5. And it's a pretty decent meal. What's your cheapest meal that you cook? I'll have all these numbers in the description section. And with everything going on, we need to make our food last and cook as cheap as we can to stretch that food budget. Thanks for stopping by. Come back again when you will. Share, comment, like, hit that subscribe button. God bless.